Hello everyone, friends on the Weller Canal. Today I will show you how to compress a PDF file. To do this, go to any browser, write in the search compress PDF. We go to any site, you can go to any absolutely. Here, select the file here. Well, I'll choose this image, for example. So we choose here from the compression ratio. Here there is basic compression. Yes, that is, it does not greatly reduce the size of the file, but retains the quality, or strong compression, which greatly reduces, that is, the size of the file, but it has worse quality. I press the squeeze button, and accordingly it is half the size for me. Respectively, it made it. And I click the download button. That's it. After that, you can use Weller was with you, like, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.